What's up, everybody? Merry Christmas. December 25th, 2018 in Big Bear Lake, California. It's 12:59 a.m. It says 37 degrees. I think it's a couple degrees cooler. Just started to rain a little bit. And I think we're gonna go find some snow up at the top over by Moonloaf. So let's hopefully find some snow. That would be cool. But yeah, it's snowing now. Oh shit. Sweet. We're getting a rain-snow mix right now. Oh shit. What is wrong with my fucking headlights? Okay, there we go. It's pretty foggy over here. So I was trying to use my GoPro Hero 5 and it's just too gnarly, too tough to do it at nighttime with that camera. I know there are certain settings I can do, and guys, look at how pretty that looks. Man, that is so pretty. Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Yeah, so we're getting a rain and snow mix in Big Bear Lake, California. Man, the damn camera's having a hard time focusing. Yep, see, the closer we're getting to the mountain, the heavier the precipitation. Man, I'm telling you, man, this is not focusing well. I keep on having to point it back down at the screen right here to help focus this biatch. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's definitely snowing. What I need to do, turn on the defrosters. Just the last time I did that, it shut down, or it disconnected my suction cup stuff. Alright, so guys, car alarm's going off. There you go, buddy. That really helps when you can't hear it. But yeah, we're getting snow. We are on gosh, what is this road? What's this route? Sheepskin, or sheep, I'm fucking sheep herder, I don't fucking know. Sheepskin. Or no, it's sheep something. I'm just really tired, you guys. I'm really tired. Look, see, the street's already turning white up here a little bit. Hell yeah, you guys. So I went from rain to snow again. I love doing that. Like we're right on that cutoff line up here, guys. It's so crazy. So often the snow levels are like right at this elevation, and it's just so nice to, or not nice, but just cool to be able to time that perfectly. So as I told you guys earlier, we're driving up to that Moonloaf area, because that's where I think we might find some snow. Well, more snow. Obviously, it started snowing before I even got there, so that's good. But there's not much happening right now. Dude, I can't wait for that drone to get here, you guys. It's going to be so awesome. That's going to be so awesome. I need to take a left now. I need to go straight. Just keep climbing, buddy. Keep climbing. Woo. Temperature's dropped a few degrees. It's 35 now. It's a beautiful setting right here. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Just gorgeous, yeah? Just fucking gorgeous, huh? We're getting Some more snow. It's really light, but you know, I know all the forecasters have been saying now we could get like 2 to 5 inches type thing, but I still only think we're gonna get 1 to 3 inches. That's the pessimist in me, but we'll see. I think I need to turn right here. Yep. I don't know why I go this way, but I do. That one house is just such a fucking huge house with just one light on. Anyway. I know this is kind of lackluster at the moment, but you know, I try to document as soon as the weather happens, and it wasn't even supposed to start happening till like 3 in the morning. And I could hear something like on my windows, and I'm like, oh yeah, it's starting a little earlier than anticipated. Do I want to make a left on Wolf? No, I don't. Where we want to go. This is Upper Moonridge, you guys. The snow that you see is from the last storm. Alright, Angels Camp. Alright, here we go. Wipers for right now. You guys can see it's getting kind of windy. The leaves and stuff blowing across the street. 34 degrees. I know you guys can't tell, but the sky just looks really nasty. Because usually it's pretty bright because you can see a bunch of stars, but you just can't see anything. It's dark. It sucks though, because I wish this was a big storm coming, but it's just this little tiny thing. I guess it's better than nothing. I won't complain too much. But like the anticipation for big storms, man, I'm telling you, it's such a cool feeling. I like it a lot. Alright, so yeah, Merry Christmas everybody. Merry freaking Christmas. You know what, I've mentioned this before, but I never really, well, so check it out. Check it out. I'm sure a lot of you who are my age, you know, late 30s, are fans of Dumb and Dumber. Kind of like that cult following, at least those of you who have quite a sense of humor. Do you remember Lloyd Christmas? Obviously, Jim Carrey's character, and he was trying to hook up with Mary Swanson, aka Samsonite. Well, think about it. If they would have got married, her name would have been Merry Christmas. That's pretty funny. I know I was really stupid, you guys, but so here's Moonloaf without any snow. Interesting. Let's slow it down there, Nick. Yeah, this center part sometimes gets so dug out from the tires on the sides that that your car will bottom out on the dirt, and that's not good. So thankfully, it looks like they've done something about it. But this is kind of a trippy road without any snow, huh? At 1 in the morning, 1:09. Let's just make sure. Yep, 1:09. Oh, hey. Oh, that's funny. On my GPS, it doesn't show this as a road. Interesting, you guys. Oh, look, here we go. See? This is really... Oh, wow. Clearance is going to be kind of tough right here. So we're going to have to make it work like this. Hey, there we go. Oh, shit. That sucks. Alright, that guy was cool enough to pull over for us. Probably a drunk driver. Trying to avoid the po-pow. The Johnny Law. Alright, Dan. Alright, Dan, Johnny. Let's see here. Oh, look at this little bright. Oh, that's snow. For a moment, it looked like there was like a spotlight shining down right there. Oh, shit. Oh. Yep, so I dropped the phone. Not a biggie. Not a big deal. But unfortunately, it stopped that current video, but also have to tie them together. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. So I got my other car fixed. The starter's been replaced and it's running. Unfortunately, the tranny's having an issue, but it's still running. So since I'm not doing, like when I'm not doing these videos, I'm taking my other car because I already have over 2,000 miles on this thing, you guys. Can you believe that already? It's just insane. Whoa, that's a pretty big fucking rock right there. We're gonna just kind of go to the left. Really slowly. Jeez, guys, this is really steep. Alrighty. So, after we get through here, I think we're gonna drive to the North Shore and go through Fawnskin that direction because we'll probably hit some snow coming around that way. It's gonna be a long ass video, you guys. It's probably not gonna upload till you're awake anyway. And there's some snowflakes right there. Nice. Not little whiny bitches. I'm talking snowflakes falling from the sky. All right. So Moonloaf is just about done with. God, driving this car compared to my other car is just a dream. It's pretty windy up here, guys. Look at that, the American flag going like crazy. All right, guys, we are in Tweakerloaf, Sugarloaf. I'm sorry, I don't mean to call it that. To be quite honest, it's just when I first moved up here, that's just all I heard all the time was Tweakerloaf, Tweakerloaf, Tweakerloaf. And hearing about how bad it is up here, And so I prejudged it, and then I started to meet a lot of people that lived up here, and it's really not that bad. So anyway, as soon as it starts snowing again a little bit more, I will, even though it is snowing right now, damn it, it is very lightly. As soon as it starts to pick up, I'll turn the video back on. Alright, so it started to pick up a little bit, but not as much snow, more kind of mixture. Temperature's risen again to 36. And we are on Maple Drive, heading down towards Big Bear Boulevard right now. We are gonna hang a left and then make a right on Paradise to get to the North Shore. Huh, that actually sounds right, huh? We gotta make a right on Paradise to get to the North Shore. Definitely Paradise to get to the North Shore, I'll tell you that. Turn green, you schmuck. Alright, so I'm gonna turn this off for now. But the further we go this way, the more weather we should get into. Peace. Alright, so we are on Paradise now, and it's coming down a little bit more. Oh shit, what is that in the street? Thank God. Alright. So, I literally just saw a snowflake. Seriously guys, these videos are so great because we're literally going from rain to snow. Like how fucking cool is that? It seems like I catch it almost most videos. It's pretty amazing, actually. It really is. Like for one person to be able to do that. Well, what's this in the street here? Oh, I'm like a storm chaser. All right, so yeah, I saw another snowflake. Anyway, once we get into more weather, I will turn this back on. We're at Big Bear Boulevard now. Or, I'm sorry, Big Bear Boulevard, what an asshole. North Shore, and it is snowing a little bit more. We're at North Shore. This is Highway 18, the backside. But now we're headed back to the dam side of town. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off for a minute. Guys, this is the trip. Like, it didn't just barely start to come down, like it really just started really heavily coming down. Like all at once. The weirdest thing. Not like one drop or two at a time, it just all of a sudden came down. So we're getting snow, it's 37 degrees. We're getting some snow. I think I may have just seen a lightning bolt as well. That would make sense because we're entering some heavy precip, so get my brights on again so we can actually see. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're getting some snow, some rain and snow mix, but these snowflakes are humongous. Right on, you guys. Digging it. Over there, that's Snow Summit. See the lights on up top. God damn, where are all these assholes coming from? It's a bunch of drunk drivers. Look at this schmuck. I'm just kidding. I just talk shit when I drive. It's just what I do. What's up, buddy? Alright, now I can turn on my brights again so we can actually see the snow coming. Son of a bitch, not another car. Jeez, where are they all coming from? This is insane. Guys, it's 1:25 in the morning. All these people need to be in bed so Santa can bring them presents. I don't know what's going on here. He's not going to bring them presents while they're up and about. Well, anyway, I'm going to stop the video for now. The further we get towards Fawnskin, if it starts picking up again, I will start recording again. Peace out. Jeez, look at all these people, man. Holy shit. Alright, so I figured out what all that traffic was probably from midnight mass. Didn't even think about it. So you can see we're getting some snow, guys. We're at Stanfield Cutoff now. It's not like I'm keeping the video off too long before we start getting into more weather. So we're getting some snow right now. It's 37 degrees. I'm getting 30 miles per gallon. I'm sure you guys are very happy about that. And it's 126. Boom. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, so right across the lake is the snow summit right there. I don't know if you guys can tell. Snow summit. Just looks fucking trippy. You know what, we're gonna slow down and just get a quick little zoom of this one behind us. Wow, that's just a fucking trip. That's awesome. Alright. Oh yeah. The snow is picking up a little bit. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Oh yeah, guys. See this part of town, typical. Well, actually, the further we get this way, the more snow there should be. It's really coming down pretty good right now. Oh yeah, really coming down. Oh shit. Wow. It's really coming down, you guys. I hope we come up to a street light so I can show you guys. Let me refocus the camera. There we go. I figured out that's the best way to do it. Just what am I thinking? Street lights. Okay, so it's looking like we're driving into some thicker stuff shortly. So it should start picking up. Damn it, keep focused. Stupid fucking thing. Okay, so we're about to enter Fawnskin. Alright, so you guys get the point right now. So I'm going to shut it off for a minute and we'll resume shortly. Alright, so I thought I would turn the camera back on while we're driving through Fawnskin just so you guys can see what's going on in Fawnskin, but nothing real special. Still getting some very, very light snow right now. But I'm hoping as we get back towards the dam area, it'll pick up more in intensity. But I just wanted you guys to see what little you could of Fawnskin at night. Hope you didn't blink because there it was. All right, sweet. All right, as soon as it starts to pick up a little bit more than this, I'll turn it back on. Okay, so it wasn't too much further from downtown Fawnskin where it started to pick up a bit, like I knew it would. And the ground's turning white a little bit over here too. So it's obviously a sign that it's been a little bit heavier over here. We'll take it. We will take it. I better slow down though. Yeah. So I can tell over on the other side of the lake it's a little bit stronger, the snow, which I expected because it's up against the mountainside, so we'll be there shortly. But it's pretty nice right here. It's coming down high. Alright, till the next spot. Peace. Okay, so we're at the dam. It is coming down pretty good here. Socked in with fog as well. That's because this is the opening. Let's see here. Wow, those clouds are blowing in fast. .36 degrees, 1:40 in the morning. Snowing in Big Bear Lake. Not much though, but it's snowing. Wish we had some fast food joints open up here.
Yeah, he said joints. Yeah, fire.
Shut up, Davis. Alright, so the snow's kind of let up a little bit. When it picks up, I will turn it back on. Peace out. So kind of interesting. Change to rain now. Really strange, but that's all good. It's 36 degrees still. Getting some light drizzle in Big Bear Lake, California. After we just had some snow. But it's all good in the hood. I will, yeah. So if we get more weather before I get home, I will do another little clip. Peace out. You know, I figured we might as well get a shot of the village. It's Christmas time. So let's turn green there, light. Even though this is a really nice view right here. Hopefully I don't get a ticket for holding this camera like this, or this phone up like this. Look guys, how pretty is this, man? There's a couple more snowflakes. Jeez, I'm telling you, man, it's just been fluctuating. Look, we're the only ones in town. We are the only ones. Look what I do for you guys. It's amazing. I do it for me too, though. Oh, there's one car. Hope that's not a Johnny Law. white Jeep. Man, this is such a beautiful place. Alright. That's it. Okay, so it started to snow a little bit before we got home, so I figured we would turn right and go up to Snow Summit straight ahead to see what kind of snow we can get. And it's starting to snow pretty good. Wow. Big old snowflakes. Big old fat snowflakes. This is what we were looking for, and it took almost an hour to fucking find it. They're making us detour over here? What? No resort access. Well, I'm not trying to park in Snow Summit, motherfuckers. They can go fuck themselves. Hopefully I don't get in any trouble for this, but yeah, guys, we are getting snow. And as I said, they're big old snowflakes. So there's Snow Summit. At nighttime. That's so pretty right there. Gosh, that's a beautiful view. Alright guys, I think we're just about done with this video. And then once it starts to really pick up later, obviously I'm going to do more. You know what? Okay, we're out of here. Alright guys, peace out. That's it for this first video. Merry Christmas. Hope you guys enjoyed. We are getting snow. 36 degrees, 1:53 in the morning on Christmas morning, 2018. I love you all. Be safe today, and may all your dreams and all your wishes come true today. Hope you get everything you asked for, and hope you give everything that was asked of you. Peace out.